him first, the officers here on that. Got Devin Young, that'll be cool.
Hello, sorry, I got disconnected.
Okay, Mr. Wall, so you got to put you back into the room. What room was he in? Anybody know?
I do. He was in 15.
Okay, go to 15.
My audio is working now as well.
All right, great. Then we'll be able to talk, Mr. Walls. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yes, I got disconnected as well.
It's all right, Mr. Young. I'm gonna call your case in a minute, okay?
All right, yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, we are ready on Mr. Young whenever the court is.
Fantastic, okay?
Thank you.
I'm gonna get this officer out of here real quick, and then I'm gonna call your case, okay, Ms. Duplessis? All right. Curtis Wright, can you hear me?
Yes.
You say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Bernard Wright. This is ticket number P1272618, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Curtis Wright. Sir, please state your name.
Yes, Curtis Wright. Curtis Bernard Wright.
All right, and we have an officer here today on this matter for bench trial. Corporal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Corporal Randolph, Batch 1235, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you so much. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Judge, there's an offer to 3-month delay. Mr. Wright would like to take advantage and plead guilty today.
Is that right, Mr. Wright?
Justice in that place. This hallway is.
I know, Sandy, it's okay. All right, Mr. Wright, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wright, you had a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I'm going to take you back to the date of November 3rd, 2021. Did you own a Chevy vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, when you stipulated was in the area of Gratiot and Van Dyke in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Yeah.
Judge.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Judge.
Court is satisfied as well, will accept the plea to the amended charge. The plea as charged to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is under a 3-month delay sentence. You let your mom drive knowing she didn't have a license, Mr. Wright?
Ma'am.
Where was your mother going? Why did you let her drive your car?
She had a run to make, and I guess she felt like it was important, so that's why I let her drive it.
All right, Mr. Wright, I'm gonna give you an option today. You can either do community service or you can pay a fine. Which one do you want to do? My fine is $200, community service is 20 hours.
I'll do the fine.
Okay, all right, your fine is $200. You have 3 months to make that payment. So
Okay.
I'm gonna have a review for you on February 28th. As long as you don't have any new tickets, this case is going to be dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, right, okay? All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. All right, Corporal, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, be careful out there.
Will do.
All right, Devin Young?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of people versus Devin Young. This is U ticket 629478822. 1 count brandishing firearm in public. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Duplessis, P 82896. On behalf of Mr. Young, who's present by Zoom, and we are consenting to move forward by Zoom. Mr. Young, you state your full name?
Yes, Devin Young.
Your Honor, we would ask to set the matter for a jury trial. I will continue plea negotiations with the prosecutor in the meantime, but I do believe that we are headed towards a jury trial.
Okay. All right. When is your schedule open? I do have some jury trial dates I can try and plug some folks into.
Let's see.
When are you open?
I've got my February fairly free after the first week.
Okay. What about February 15th? Are you available that day?
I certainly will be, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to set this matter for a jury trial on February 15th, 2023. It's going to be at 1:30 p.m. is when we're going to start it, picking the jury and everything. That is at 36th District Court. The week before, however, we are going to have a final conference to do any jury instructions to make sure we're still ready to go. So on the all right, on February the 10th, we'll have a final pre-trial just to make sure everything is good. Ms. Duplessis, do you want to do it at 9 or 10 a.m. for the final pre-trial to hash out everything?
Ooh, could we do 10, please?
Okay, I'm gonna put it at 10 a.m. just because I want to make sure we make enough time to go over any jury instructions, any last minute things that may need to be discussed at that point in time. And so we'll do it at 10 a.m. Do you understand, Mr. Young? So you are going to have a final conference on February 10th via Zoom, just like we are right now, to make sure everything is good. Your attorney will take care of making sure that jury instructions are going okay. Our trial will be in person on February 15th, okay? You'll actually have to physically come to 36th District Court at 1:30 p.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you both so much.
All
Have a
right.
great day, everyone.
You too. Attorney Robinson, who would you like to call next in the waiting? Can you see the waiting room?
I can see the waiting room. How about Talfred Ware?
Okay. Talfred Ware? Talfred Ware?
Hello?
Hello? All right, find a place to sit and sit down so we can call your matter, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Talfred David Ware. This is case number SP 1014926. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1179591. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Talfred Ware. Sir, please state your name.
Alfred David Ware.
How are we proceeding today, Attorney Robinson?
Judge, Mr. Ware would like to plead guilty. There's an offer. If he pled guilty to 1 count of no registration, 3 counts would be dismissed. He would like to do that today.
Is that right, sir?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they didn't, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, You're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial. You understand that, sir?
I do, Your Honor.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take you back to the date of August the 10th of 2019. Were you in the area of West McNichols and Schaefer in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
I was, Your Honor.
And while you were driving it, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office for that year, sir?
It was at the time, Your Honor.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to drive unregistered untitled vehicle. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Excuse me,
ma'am. Can I have a word? Can I have a word? This is my fourth time calling, and I cannot stay hanging on the line, holding on, talking to a ghost. I've been put in the waiting room 3 times, and I can't hold indefinitely on the line with a ghost.
Mr. Ware, hold on a minute, because apparently he's more important than the hearing I'm having right now as the judge. What's your name, sir?
Steve Wilson.
Mr. Wilson, you can come into my courtroom physically on the date of February 13th, 2023. Have a great day.
Okay, wait, ma'am. Let me get it. September 13th?
No, February 13th. You can physically come to 36th District Court and come to my courtroom.
Okay, and your name is on my card, Miss Johnson or Taylor?
My name is on the courtroom. Ms. Judge Taylor.
Okay, what's the courtroom? What's the number? 27?
337.
Okay, I got it. Okay, and that's February the 3rd.
13th.
Okay, wait a minute, man. I'm trying to hold on. Wait 1 second.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ware. Apparently he's more important
ma'am, what time? What time? What time should I be there?
9 a.m.
Okay, I got you. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Ware, my fine is $200. How long do you think it would take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30. I was gonna come down there today to pay, Your Honor.
Can you wait until tomorrow, please, to pay? We got a lot of people. My clerk has to put these in the system, okay?
Okay, not a problem.
All right, so I'll have it due no later than December 30th, just in case you need extra time, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, okay? Have a fantastic day. What would you like to do next, Attorney Robinson?
Jawan, is it Jawan White?
The Waller?
Waller, I'm sorry.
Devon Waller, and I have a Jawan White. Well, you do have a Jawan White. You want to do Jawan White?
Yeah, Jawan, I had the names, I apologize. Jawan White, please, first.
Okay. No, I think you said that. No, I have Steve Wilson. You're right. It's a little print out. Yeah. It's a violation. Let me make a note. Attorney Robinson, remind me to tell you what Mr. Wilson's crime was.
Okay, I see a U ticket.
Yep, you can guess. All right, Mr. White, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sitting up, Mr. White, for court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jawan Darnell White. This is ticket 440000. Count one, no operator's license on person. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, unregistered motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jawan White. I did it again. No, it's Jawan White. I'm sorry, Jawan
Yep.
White.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Juwan White.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Mr. White would be pleading guilty to the no registration count. The other two counts would be dismissed.
All right. Is that how you want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and
I can't. It went in and out. Can you put your...
It's okay, I'm sorry about that. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you still wanna move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I wanna take your attention back to the date of December 11th of 2020. Were you in the area of St. Mary's and Clarita Streets in the city of Detroit driving a vehicle? Mr. White,
Yes.
what type of vehicle were you driving?
I'm not even sure.
Sir, did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle that day?
Yeah.
No.
It wasn't my...
Was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office? I apologize.
I'm not really sure. It wasn't my vehicle. So, but they said it wasn't. So no.
Attorney Robinson, is that acceptable as a plea?
Judge, he indicated that the owner of the vehicle that he was driving didn't have registration, so I'm satisfied, and he's not able to get it, is my understanding. He has the option to go to trial, of course, which we discussed.
All right, sir, you understand that? When you get into somebody's vehicle, it has to be, everything has to be up to date, or it's your responsibility.
Yes.
All right, satisfied then?
Yes, Judge.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to unregistered motor vehicle. I'm going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 of this ticket, sir.
Oh.
My fine is $200, sir, but since you're saying you didn't know, I'll give you the option to do community service instead. Which one would you like?
I do community service.
Okay, it's 20 hours of community service, okay? I'm gonna give you 3 months to complete it. You think that's enough time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm gonna give you until February 28th, 2023 to complete it. I'm going to do a review that day at 8:45 a.m. Do you have a piece of paper or some way you can take down a number to call?
Yeah. I'll get it.
Okay.
This query will give us duplicates if they exist in the team. If customer ID 9080.
Yes, can I get the number?
313-965.
313-965.
3414.
Okay.
Okay, tell them you need to do 20 hours of community service by February 28th, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Mr. White. Thank you.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Mhm.
Mr. Waller,
Hello?
Hello, how are you doing, sir?
All is well.
Good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devon Trayvon Waller. This is ticket T 214416401, one count improper place. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hello, Sarah. Good morning. Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Waller. Sir, please state your name.
My name is Devin Waller.
And Judge, Mr. Waller would like a bench trial. He also indicates that there are particular issues to his case, and he's requesting that an attorney be appointed to represent him if possible in preparation for that bench trial.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Sir, it's my understanding that you had an opportunity to talk with the attorney today about your case and about your rights. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trying finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set it for the date of February 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm going, okay, let me know when you get in a position where you can write it down.
I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
It's okay.
February.
February 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Yeah,
I'm going to
okay.
set your bond at $0 personal. When we get off of this call, though, I need you to call my clerk. I do. Can you call my clerk at noon? We need some information so I can appoint a counsel to you. So I'm going to give
Yes,
you the
ma'am.
phone number to the courtroom. Are you ready to take the number down?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293. Can I repeat that back to you?
You can, yes, sir.
313 965 2293.
That's correct. Okay,
Okay.
call her at noon today, and so she can get some information from you so I can have counsel appointed for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Waller. I'll see you back on February 24th for your bench trial.
Okay, have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you so much, sir.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk,
Yes.
did you get to have a chance to see the chat I sent you?
Oh, I should. I'm sorry.
I'll go in, that's just that gentleman's DON.
Yeah, thank you. I did run it. It is valid. Did you need me to
Oh.
send you the whole record?
No, and I know in the future I'll get the numbers and send them to you. Okay. So I'm gonna go in and get a group of people ready if that's okay.
That's fantastic. You're doing just fantastic. Thank you, Attorney Robinson.
Thank you.
The person who just, you're still connecting. The person who just called in on Samsung SMA, the person who just called in, what is your name? Judge, I'm gonna go into breakout room number 7. The person called in and didn't identify himself and just went to breakout room number 7. So I'm gonna go in and ask him to come out.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. James.
Good morning.
Hello, are you Shannon James?
Yes, I am. Can you hear me?
I can. Mr. James, I think you may be in the wrong courtroom.
I was just, I'm so lost. I don't know what's going on.
Courtroom 332.
I'm supposed to be with 332. I was having connection difficulties, and I left the room and tried to reconnect, and I think they said I was locked out, and they sent me here.
You're in the wrong courtroom. You have to go back to 332.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk,
Yes.
do you have any more offers for me?
No, I don't. John had to run down to Judge Ford's courtroom.
Okay.
So they're on his desk waiting for him to come back.
Well, I have 2 people ready nonetheless.
Okay.
All right, we can do those 2 folks. I have them in the waiting room. I'll do them and get them out of here. All right, Mr. Walls, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus William James Walls. This is ticket SX 372-90392. 1 count motor vehicle operate without security. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. William Walls. Sir, please state your name.
William Walls.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, I'm gonna make a motion to dismiss the case. Mr. Walls has come into compliance with auto insurance. Although it was after the fact, I did review the policy. Additionally, the car in question was totaled. This is for his new vehicle, his Lincoln Navigator. Considering that he's taken measures to get car insurance, I would ask that the court dismiss the matter.
Being an officer of the court, having seen the documents are now valid and up to date, even though it's not on this vehicle, it's on a new vehicle. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Walls, make sure you always keep car insurance on all of your vehicles so that you don't get any additional tickets, okay?
Yes,
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
thank you.
You're very welcome, okay?
Have a good day.
You too. Stephanie Willoughby. Willoughby. Stephanie
Yes.
Willoughby? Okay.
Speaking.
Is it Willoughby or Wilby?
It's Wilby.
Okay, all right. Can you turn on your camera for me too, please?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta see you. All right.
I'll put my hand upon the jail.
Oh, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephanie Wilby. This is ticket number SP 140514. 6, count 1, speeding 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, improperly displayed dirty obscure plates. Also calling ticket number SP 11082241, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1405147, count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender, and count 2, failed to wear corrective lenses. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Miss Stephanie Wilby. Ma'am, state your name.
Stephanie Wilby.
Judge, today there, yes, Judge.
Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, Miss Wilby would be pleading responsible. She indicated that she has matters that are scheduled on another date. It looks like all matters were combined for today. She would like to plead responsible to SP 1405146, count 1 and 2, both civil infractions. That would be 16 to 20 speeding over the posted speed limit and 2 dirty obscured plate. Those would be amended to blockading. We will stipulate to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea. Also, the other 3 matters would be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Ruby, do you have some additional noise in the background, a TV or something like that going on?
No.
Okay, I don't know what that pickup and that feedback is. Okay. Ms. Willoughby, you want to take advantage of the offer that was just put on the record today?
Yes.
All right, reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis on the date of November 6th of 2022 in the area of Gratiot and Seneca streets in the city of Detroit. Ms. Willoughby was driving a Chevy vehicle and did have improperly displayed dirty or obscure plates, as well as she was speeding 16 to 20 miles over posted speed, blocking traffic on both of those. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, and we'll stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of blockading on both of these tickets. I'm going to amend the plea of responsible to blockading on both of these tickets. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Willoughby, the fine for this. Where you going? Going on a trip? Going on a trip? Both of the fines are $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with $350?
No, could I get that on the payment plan, please?
So it can't be on the payment plan, but I can give you more time. How much time do you need? And then you can make payments towards it.
30 days?
I can give you longer than that if that's not gonna be enough time. How much time?
I really need to like the middle of January, end of January.
January 30th, 2023. How about that? Does that give you enough time?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, okay? So you can make payments on it, and then you have until the end of January, okay?
Okay, when I make my payments, will it be case number SP 11082241?
Let me give you the case number so you can write it down. Can you write it down for me?
Yes, what is it?
It's SP 1405146 and 2. So count 1 on one of them, and then the same numbers, SP 1405146 okay?
Okay.
All right, so read me the numbers you have back so I can make sure I gave it to you right.
SP 140516, count 1 and 2.
146 counts 1 and 2.
SP 1405146, 1 and 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for asking for that. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. I have a couple dismissals. If you want to do them now, or I can go talk to people. I've got some offers.
Okay, who you have dismissals for?
The two people in the Russell Williams, and I had another person, Renard. I don't know where he went. Renard Walker. I wonder if he's still in the breakout room. Let me see. Russell Williams. Let me see where Renard Walker is.
Okay.
All right, Your Honor, court. Renard Walker is in the courtroom. I'm making a motion to dismiss for him. Do you want me to get more people, or do you want to do the two people that are ready now?
It's different from the offer. Are you gonna give your reason why? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just put it.
Okay.
Now calling you ticket 633-67522. One count operating without a city of Detroit business license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, attorney for Mr. Renard Walker. Sir, please state your name.
Renard Leandre Walker.
Judge, today I would like to make a motion to dismiss. This is a business license case. Mr. Walker is the manager of Deb's Place. It's a bar in the city of Detroit. And he has shown me that the bar has come into compliance. The expiration date on the business license is April 30th, 2023. He has the license in hand. I did review it. I'm asking because of this, that the matter be dismissed.
Being an officer of the court, having seen a valid license now for this business, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Walker, I know you're just a manager there, but you got to make sure they always keep their licensing up to date, or else you'll get in trouble and ticketed for it if you're there, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You
I'll
too.
bring in Russell Williams. He was doing a lot of movement, so I moved him. Mr. Russell Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Russell Arnez Williams. This is ticket P 110864. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Russell Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Russell Williams.
Judge, this is a motion to dismiss. Mr. Williams has a valid license confirmed by the court clerk.
And the court clerk did look up the license to see if it was valid or not. It is valid. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep your license valid and up to date, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank
All
you, Your
right,
Honor.
there's nothing further. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. I can leave, just press leave.
Yes, you can, Mr. Williams, okay? And keep that license up to date and with you in the vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The person on the iPhone, what's your name, please?
I'm Derek Wise. I ended up I leave. I don't know what I was supposed to do. I left, but it logged me all the way out.
Okay, you've talked to the attorney already?
Yes, I just talked to him. And
Okay,
they told me they was gonna bring me back to the courtroom, and I logged. They told me to leave the waiting room that I was in, and I pressed leave, but it logged me all the way out.
Wise? Mr. Wise?
Yes, Derek Wise.
Yes, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room right now and stay there until the judge brings you out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Just one moment.
Hello, Madam Clerk or Madam Court Reporter, could someone please move Terrence Yancey out of room 12 telephone for me?
Sure will. I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you, he's ready. And Madam Clerk, I have a group of people ready if the court's ready, or I can keep talking to people.
I'm sorry, Ms. Robinson, that was who? Who's on the phone?
12, Terrence Yancey.
Okay, thanks.
All right, I'll just keep talking to people. I'll go back in.
Okay. The person who just called in, can you hear me? The person who just called in, can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me? Abdullah,
Yes, this is Abdullah Isa.
good morning, sir. Do you have a case in here?
Good morning. I'm sorry.
Are you here for a case?
Yes, please.
I believe you're in the wrong courtroom then. Hold on one moment.
They gave me this court number.
Okay, try courtroom, let's see, try courtroom 333.
Mm-hmm.
That courtroom hears cases with the last name beginning with E.
Okay, in the meeting, at the meeting ID, I put only 333.
Yes, rather than 337, put 333.
Okay, guess 360-333. 0000, right?
That's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The lady who's, hi, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay, good. You were here earlier. What is your name?
Sandra Williams.
Okay, Ms. Williams, have you spoken with the attorney yet?
No,
Okay, why did you leave the breakout room?
I went into a break room, but I think I went into the wrong one.
Well, you wouldn't have, yeah, you did. Yeah, you left Zoom and you came back and you, then me checking you in again, you went right to the wrong room and you were in there. Yes. Okay, I'm going to put you into a breakout room. Stay there until the attorney comes to talk to you, okay?
Okay, what number is that one, ma'am?
That's okay. I'll put you in there. Just press,
what?
when you receive the invitation, just press join.
Okay.
Excuse me, is our man?
Yes, you're in, sir. Hold on, Mr. Williams. Just hold on.
Williams,
Yes,
you should go to room 4.
room number 4.
Yes.
Andy, we're gonna leave, Mr. Williams, Elijah Williams out in the main session.
Okay. Mr. Williams, press *6 on your phone to put it on mute. Mr. Williams, press *6 on your phone to put it on mute. Thank you.
And I think my file put it to a different date. So that all- I think the file put it to a different date.
Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
Renee Zambrana. Somehow I got disconnected.
Okay, say your last name again, please.
Zambrana. Renee Zambrana. Zambrana.
Okay, thank you. Hold on one moment. Ms. Zambrana, have you talked to an attorney yet?
No.
Okay, I'll put you back in the breakout room then.
Okay.
Do you remember which one you were in? Ms. Zambrana, do you remember which breakout room you were in?
Hello.
Ms. Zambrana, do you remember which breakout room?
I don't remember which room I was in.
Okay, no problem.
No, I do not. No, I do not.
Okay, no problem. You're gonna go to number 5.
Okay.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
I'm gonna send you a chat for a driver's license lookup. And I have a group of
Hello.
We are online. You can't just unmute yourself and start talking when you hear other people talking, ma'am. Put yourself back on mute.
I didn't know that I was even unmuted. Ma'am, I did not come in late. My phone cut off and I don't have a breakout room and I haven't spoken to my lawyer.
Okay. I know, just put her name so I can see it, everyone. Please rename this woman who has been on so I can know it, please.
What's your name, please? What's your name, ma'am? Ms. Chai, what's your name, please? You're on mute.
My name is Cheyenne Del Sheila Caprice Johnson. I just changed it in the Zoom.
Okay.
Ms. Johnson, this is the clerk. This is the clerk of this courtroom. You need to respect the judge. You are speaking to the judge. You need to respect the judge. Judge Taylor.
And I do care, ma'am. I wasn't trying to be disrespectful. I'm just frustrated because I've been on here for 3 hours and my phone cut out and I could not get back into the meeting.
Okay, you've been on here for 3 hours along with the other defendants. You're not by yourself.
I understand that, ma'am.
Okay.
Ms. Johnson, I believe you're in the wrong courtroom. You should be in courtroom 332. Do you have a different last name besides Johnson?
No, ma'am, I do not.
Okay, zoom into courtroom 332.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You ready, Attorney Robinson, on a few of these?
I'm ready, and it looks like Elijah Williams is right here in the courtroom. He's a trial.
I know.
On the phone.
We had him call in.
Oh,
He was
okay.
having trouble.
Okay, and then I have everyone in the waiting room. The only person that's not ready is Leonard Yates. He says he has a valid license. I sent a chat to Madam Clerk with his license number. Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Edward.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Elijah Williams, press *6 on your phone, please. *6, Mr. Williams. There you go. All right.
Elijah Williams.
Yep, hold on a minute. Now calling the matters of the people versus Elijah Williams. This is V ticket 1218532. Count 1. Failure to vaccinate dog against rabies or produce proof of vaccination. Ticket number V121852221. No dog license. Ticket number SP 112544651. No operator's license on person. And ticket number 194295041, one count, no operator's license on person. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Elijah Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Elijah Williams.
Your Honor, today is the trial date.
Yes, it is.
And I don't see an officer for either matter, for either case, and I would ask that all the counts be dismissed.
Time is now 11:25 a.m. Mr. Williams was supposed to be here at 9 a.m., but he called the court and said he was having some trouble getting on this morning, Attorney Robinson, so we allowed him to sign on. No officer being present in these matters, you're welcome. The court is going to grant a request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Williams, okay?
Thank y'all.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Y'all too.
Attorney Robinson, Mr. Yates has a valid license.
All right, then I'm ready for him.
All right. Leonard Yates. Attorney Robinson, Leonard Yates?
Yes,
Okay, I just want to make sure.
thank you.
Leonard Yates?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Leonard Bernard Yates. This is ticket number P10462272. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1310633. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Leonard Yates. Sir, please state your name.
Leonard Yates.
Are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, I would move to dismiss on all counts. Mr. Yates is now in compliance with both insurance and valid driver's license.
You see the document for the insurance, Attorney Robinson?
Yes, I did.
Okay. As an officer of the court, having seen valid insurance for him, the court did pull his records and see that he has a valid driver's license. I'm going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Yates, make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date. Don't wait until you get a ticket to make sure that's correct, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Who should we call next, Attorney Robinson? Or just start bringing in the people?
Brandon Wright.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Brandon Wright?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right, fantastic. Now calling the matters of the people versus Brandon Wright. This is ticket P1279846. One count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1358917. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, registration and or plate violation. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Mr. Brandon Wright. Sir, please state your name.
My name is Brandon Wright.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, Mr. Wright would like a bench trial.
Is that right, Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I want to set this for a bench trial on the date of February 24th, 2023. That's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay? And it
Thank
will
you.
be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that date, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Wright.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
What should I do next?
Washington,
Monisa Washington,
Yes.
now calling the matter of people versus Monisa Washington. This is ticket P1330031. Oh yeah, go ahead, sit up for me, ma'am. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Miss Monisha Washington. Ma'am, please state your name.
Mianca Washington.
Judge, today there's an offer. She would plead responsible to 1 civil infraction. My understanding that is the defective brake light. And the other counts would be dismissed. We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket. We'd like to confirm that she would be pleading responsible to the defective brake light as well.
That's correct. It has the plea to defective brake light. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. You understand that, Ms. Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, from the face of the ticket on the date of March 29, 2022, in the area of Greenfield and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Washington was driving a Pontiac vehicle with defective brake lights. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
All right, it's already been a stipulation for probable cause to dismiss the remaining counts. So the
Yes.
court's gonna enter a plea to count 1, defective brake lights, the remaining counts to be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for it is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
14 days.
Yes. That brings us to
Yeah.
December 14th. So you can understand the time. Is that enough time?
Can I look at my calendar right fast?
Yes, you may, Ms. Washington.
I don't get paid until December the 16th.
Okay, I'm going to give you until January the 5th to have it paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, that gives you a little bit extra time. I don't want you to get any late fees, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Washington.
You too.
I will, thank you.
I can leave.
Yes, you can, ma'am. Have a good day. Attorney Robinson,
Mr. Derek Wise, please.
I just know you spoke to them, so you can know which ones to kind of do, which is helpful. Mr. Wise,
Yes.
okay. You turn on your camera for me, please. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Derek Wise. This is ticket SP 135708. Count 1, drove while license not valid or drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Also calling you ticket 634722122. 1 count offer to engage another engage in the services of another for the act of prostitution. And ticket number SP 13570421. 1 count disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Derek Wise. Sir, please state your name.
My name is Derek Wise.
And Judge, there's an offer. Mr. Wise would like to take advantage of it.
Is that right, Mr. Wise? You want to take advantage of this offer?
Yes, I'd rather get the tickets over with. I want to just get everything over with.
Okay, now, Mr. Wise, don't say too much, and then you end up having to have a bench or a jury trial, okay? Just answer my questions as I ask them, okay?
Okay.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hands down. Mr. Wise, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And are you, do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Wise?
Yes.
All right. First, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 27th of 2022. Were you in the area of East State Fair on Russell Street in the city of Detroit in a GMC vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were in that vehicle, was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle on the driver's side?
No, it wasn't nothing open, but it was open bottles in the back seat of my car. Yes, it was. But it wasn't nothing in there. Yes, it was. I was with a few partners. It was a case of beers, and I collect bottles, and the bottles was in the back seat.
All right. Attorney Robinson, how do you think we should proceed with these? Told him yes and no answers, and he just went on. So I asked you for yes and no answers, and Mr. Wise, you were unable to give it to me. So that's you just said that you didn't commit a crime. So would you like to have a bench or a jury trial?
Jury trial.
Okay, all right. So you need counsel assigned to you. Let me see when I can get some counsel assigned. I'm gonna have you come back for. So do a pre-trial maybe on January 7th. Okay, I'm gonna have you do a pre-trial in these matters on January 7th. So I can get counsel assigned to you and then have counsel select a date for trial in these matters. I need you to call the courtroom when you get off this call, okay?
Okay.
313, can you take down the number?
I got the number because I just left there last week to reschedule for this court date because I thought I missed it.
Okay, so call the courtroom and we're gonna get your information so we can get you counsel assigned to this particular matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Wise.
Oh, you too. You have a blessed one.
All right, thank you. Be next, Attorney Robinson.
Victoria Wilson, a dismissal.
Okay. Wilson?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Victoria Lynette Wilson. This is ticket number SP 2911897. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Miss Victoria Wilson. Ma'am, please state your name.
Victoria Wilson.
And Judge, this is a motion to dismiss. I reviewed Miss Wilson's documents. She's in compliance, registration, and insurance. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
Being an officer of the court, having looked at her documents and verified them, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Wilson, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
I will, thank you. Those are delicious. I hazelnut. Chocolate egg, get chocolate egg. Okay. Who we doing next?
Antoine Williams.
Thank you. Antoine Williams,
Yes.
can you turn on your camera for me, sir, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Williams.
How you doing?
Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoine Williams. This is ticket P1337957. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Antoine Williams.
Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Antoine Williams?
How are we proceeding, counsel?
This will be a guilty plea, Judge.
All right, is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I need you to sit still for me for a moment so that we can take this plea, okay? Fantastic.
Okay.
You raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you still want to move forward with this case today? You sure, Mr. Williams?
Oh, I'm sorry. No, Your Honor.
No. Do you want to move forward and take this plea today? You want to do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'm going to take you back to the date of April 20th of 2022. Were you in the area of West Auto Drive and Liddesdale streets in the city of Detroit driving a Kia vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did it not have any car insurance on it while you were driving it?
Yes, ma'am. No insurance.
And that was in the city of Detroit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper play. Mr. Williams, you paused for a minute about when I asked you, were you guilty of this? Was this your vehicle you were driving?
Yes, ma'am. It was my vehicle at the time. I just didn't have no insurance for it at the time.
Okay, all right. So we got that understood. Okay. You don't have any new insurance or anything?
Not at the moment, Your Honor, because right now the car is total right now, so I don't have insurance for it anymore.
I'm gonna waive your cost and fines today, okay?
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
All right, you were very honest. And on the ticket, actually, Attorney Robinson, I read it. And it said that he provided insurance. It must have been expired. It expired 10/20/2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna waive your cost and fines today. Don't drive your vehicle without insurance anymore, okay?
Yes, lesson learned, Your Honor.
I know that's right. All right, have a good day, Mr. Williams. Thank you for your patience this morning.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye. Maybe Yancy? Is that a good
Yes.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yancy? Terrence
Yes.
Yancy? Okay, I just want
Yes.
to see you hear me. All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Terrence Yancy. This is ticket SP 8116942. Supply false information or ID to police officers. Ticket number SP 100458861. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. And ticket number SP 8116941. Drove while license suspended. Repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Terrence Yancey. Sir, please state your name.
Terrence Yancey.
And Judge, Mr. Yancey will be pleading guilty today. There's a delayed sentence offer.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Yancey? You want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand for me.
Raise.
Thank Thank you so much. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr.
All right.
Yancey, did you get a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Did I do what else?
Did you talk to the attorney about the case today?
No.
Okay.
Well, was that the attorney that gave me that deal?
That's the one who talked to you about it. Yep, she's an attorney.
Oh,
She may
okay.
not have
Yeah.
You talked to her?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
I talked to him.
All right. Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, they didn't. They just no.
No, except for what we talked about, right? That's the only thing they offered you today?
Yes, with the what we talked about.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in front of me on these particular matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 22nd of 2018. Were you in the area of West Chicago and Abington Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you in a Chevy vehicle at the time, sir?
Yes, I was.
And did you give or the officer who stopped you false information or fake ID?
I gave him false information because I was scared I was gonna go to jail. So
Okay.
I was going to get my daughter.
It's okay.
I was going to get my daughter from school.
Mr. Yancey, hold tight. I'm gonna let you explain in a minute. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, and will stipulate the probable cause for dismissal.
Thank you so much. So the court is going to enter a plea to supply false information to police officer and dismiss that the remaining counts. This is under a 12-month delay sentence. But first, you want to tell me something, Mr. Yancey. What do you want to tell me about where you were headed?
I was heading to get my daughter from school. I was guilty. I was just scared I was going to go to jail. So that's why I gave him false information.
Why would you go to jail, Mr. Yancey?
Because I thought they had a warrant out for my arrest. I didn't know.
Oh. Mr. Yancey, you can't lie to the police, though.
I understand. I understand. That's why I plead guilty.
Okay, we can't do that. Even if we're afraid and scared, we can't lie to them because then you end up with misdemeanors like this.
Yeah,
All right.
I understand.
I know. All right. This is under a 12-month delay sentence. What that means is as long as you pick up no new tickets in the next 12 months and you pay the fine that I'm going to assess you, that this matter will be dismissed. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. All right. Your fine is going to be $250, sir. You're going to have 12 months to pay this because we're going to be due by the time you come back for your review. Your review is a year from now. So it's going to be November 30th of 2023 at 8:45 a.m. Okay?
All right. So I still can't get my license?
Well, so you may have some reinstatement fees. What I want you to do is I want you to go online and kind of look and see what reinstatement fees you may need to pay in order to get this back tomorrow.
Oh, all right. Well, can I call down to the Secretary of State?
No, call my courtroom tomorrow, okay, tomorrow afternoon. Do you have the phone number?
Yeah, I got it on my paper.
Okay.
Just call down to the court.
Call down to the court and my clerk will try and look up and see what tickets may be stopping you from getting your license, okay?
All right, then.
Okay, all right. Have a good day, Mr. Yancey.
All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, okay?
Yep.
Antoine Wiley. Antoine Wiley Jr. Antoine Wiley Jr. Mr. Antoine Wiley Jr. Attorney Robinson, did you get some additional offers?
I don't have, yeah, I have additional offers. I just need to convey them.
Okay, she's gonna, my clerk's gonna send over a few more, but start talking to those other folks too. And when we get to them, we'll do his in a little while, the next.
All right, how many people do you want? About 5 or 10 or everybody or?
Everybody, cause it's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people left. So let's just get the last chunk.
Wiley just appeared, Judge.
Okay, all right, Mr. Antoine Wiley Jr.
Yes.
You gotta get a place where it's gonna be quiet, okay? I can't have all that noise in the background.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Let me know when you get there.
I'm here. Okay, I'm in a quiet place.
Okay, all right. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Antoine Wiley. This is ticket P10868857. Count 1, disobey lawful orders of a police officer. Ticket number SP139668872. Count 1, improper turn. SP139668871. 1 count failed to signal or turn. Failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Ticket number SP1389952. Registration and or plate violation. SP138995522. 1 count no proof of insurance. SP138995551. Drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket SP139668831. Drove while license suspended. Ticket SX401086261. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Wiley. Sir, please state your name.
Antoine Wiley Jr.
Judge, Mr. Wiley will be pleading guilty per the offer. There is a delayed 12-month and 1 infraction to blockading.
Is that right, Mr. Wiley?
Yes. Yes.
I'm so sorry, Attorney Robinson. Go ahead.
No, I messed up the flow, Judge. I'm sorry. I was saying I'll stipulate to the blockading.
I appreciate that, Attorney Robinson. Mr. Wiley, if you want to accept the plea, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah, she was telling me about the tickets. Basically, the fine would be $200, and I was trying to get to the point where I was trying to figure out, can I pay that online, or do I have to give it to?
You ain't even get to that point yet. Now she was telling you what my typical fine is. We'll see if that's gonna be my fine on this ticket. But
okay. I'm sorry.
Everything to you. You understand, Mr. Wiley? We get there. We're just doing the basic stuff right now, getting your advice and rights. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So she explained it to you. I'm sure of that now. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea beyond what we talked about on the record today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Wiley, I'm going to take you back to the date of May the 27th of 2020. Were you in the area of Monroe and Beaubien in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
All right. And in that area, did you disobey a lawful order of a police officer?
I don't remember everything vivid, but I know I made a turn that day.
Now, this would have just been down in the Greektown area. I'm imagining you were by foot because I don't have a vehicle. Did the officers approach you at some point in time down there in Greektown and told you to do something and you didn't do it?
Oh, I remember that. That was the 2020. Yeah, he was they was grabbing one of my dudes. He like a little guy, and I was just telling him like, just like don't be too aggressive with him. So rough. Like my brother was like 5'1", 120 pounds, and it was like 4 of them in all black. And I was
Judge,
just like,
Mr. Wiley has answered the court's question. Excuse me, Mr. Wiley.
I was gonna tell him, hold tight, Mr. Wiley. I'll give you a chance to explain what happened that day. But you remember this, and they told the officers gave you some instructions and you didn't follow them, right?
right.
Okay, all right, and then reading from the ticket, on the day of October 13th of 2022, in the area of Cashew and Harbor in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wiley was driving a Dodge and did make an improper turn, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, we'll stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading on one of the tickets. On the other ticket, disobeying the lawful order of a police officer, the court is going to enter that plea as guilty. Sir, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
I just started working last week.
So if I give you until January 30th to have that paid, would that be enough time?
Can you stand, Mr. Wiley, can you stay still?
He's trying to move. I think the
Oh.
reception got bad. Can you hear
Yeah.
us now, Mr. Wiley?
Yes, I heard you.
Okay, all right. So I was gonna give you until January 30th, 2023 to pay that ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right, on your other ticket, now tell me the story, what happened in Greektown? They was picking with your friend who was short.
Yeah, he had his he had like a lot of money on him. So they was like, people needed, it's the pandemic, like, people like, doing stuff, bad stuff, whatever. He was like, you need to have your money tucked. He was like, my friend was just like, ain't nobody gonna take my money. And the dude was like, guess he felt like he was being tough. So they try to get up on him. And I'm like, hold on, bro. He ain't doing nothing wrong. So I was like trying to like stop him. But he was like, bag up. So I had bagged up. And then they was like trying to be rough with him. Like I said, he a little guy. And I always feel like I gotta protect him because he's a little dude. So they were trying to grab him and stuff. And I'm like, he like, go sit on the curb. And I just had bagged up. Oh, you want to be a smart guy? Okay, come on. And I feel like he was just trying to prove a point. But like I said, I ain't do nothing extra. He just wrote me a ticket and sent me by my way.
All right, Mr. Wiley. You know you can't argue with the police though. You never win.
No, I didn't think he was gonna write me a ticket, but just telling him like trying to. I feel like he understood what I was trying to do. Like the other dude understood what I was trying to do. Once he gave me the ticket, he walked up. The other officer talked to me like, man, sometimes he our supervisor or something, but I didn't know that. But it's like I feel like he was trying to make a point in front of his officers, like I ran stuff. So I just let it go. We got our ticket. We stayed down there, had fun. That was it.
Okay. You learned something valuable from this, Mr. Wiley?
Yeah, I just want to pay my tickets, get my license.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. This one is under what's called a 12-month delay sentence. That means that you can pick up no new tickets in the next 12 months of this level, and this will be dismissed, okay? The other ticket you can pay, you can go online to see what other tickets may be stopping you, or the Secretary of State's office will tell you what tickets are stopping you from getting your license because you're taking care of it now, okay? On this particular disobey the lawful order of a police officer, I hate to impose this on you, Attorney Robinson. What do you think of fair resolution? Community service, just a little bit of community service, or a fine?
Based on what he said after the plea, for sentencing, I would say the bare minimum community service or no fine at all.
All right. I'm gonna do some community service, just because I like, even though it sounds like you weren't really trying to be confrontational with them, you gotta know not to do that, okay, Mr. Wiley?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and I'm gonna give him minimal, because I do think it's a minimal one. I'm gonna give you 10 hours, okay? You got a whole year to do 10 hours of community service, okay?
Do this count? I'm in barber school. Cutting hair, do that count
No,
for
it
something?
does not. You, okay, here's where it will count. If you give some, after you finish barber school, if you give some free haircuts and you get them to sign off that it was free haircuts, I'll let it count.
I'm good right now to cut. I'm just here to get my license. I've been cutting for 5 years. I can get free cuts now.
Right, but did you hear what I said you have to do in order for it to count as community service? You have to get some free haircuts, 5 free haircuts, and I want to see it signed on a sheet of paper.
Okay.
Okay, but you have a year because you're gonna have to come back in a year for the review just to make sure you don't have any new tickets. Okay.
Okay.
All right. 11/30, 2023. It's gonna be at 8:45 a.m. I want you to make us some sheet of paper or something and have them sign saying that you gave them a free haircut. 5 people. That's your community service. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Wiley. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Okay?
You too. Well, can I ask you?
Yes, you can ask me a question. What's up, Mr. Wiley?
I got other court dates about tickets from on the 4th of this month.
No, you don't. I pulled all your court dates.
I mean next month on the 4th of December.
Mr. Wiley, I think I pulled all your tickets for today. Did you have some additional tickets beyond what I said?
No. It's Sunday come up on the 23rd because I got it all written down at home. 23rd.
The 28th, I have the 28th, I have of next year. So that's
The 23rd.
February 28th, I have 13th.
Yeah, the 13th.
Okay, I pulled all the tickets that we have currently and I put them all on today. So the answer is this takes care of everything, okay? Until I see you next year for your review.
So right now I can pay the fines that are owed to Detroit. Yes.
That's right. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. Good luck to you, okay?
Okay, good luck to you. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
She already been in here talking about this. All right.
There are 2 people on iPhones. What is your name, please? Please take your phone off mute.
It's Davon Williams.
Davon Williams, were you here earlier?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was here since 8 o'clock.
Did you talk to the attorney?
No, not yet. My phone.
Why did you leave the breakout room?
This phone keeps dying.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'll put it. Can you take the do-rag off your head, please, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Okay, and the other gentleman on the iPhone, what is your name? The other person on the iPhone, what is your name?
Anthony Ward. My bad. It's so hard to unmute this thing. Anthony Ward.
Okay, just one moment.
I was in the breakout room, but I got a call and it messed up everything. So.
Do you remember which room you were in?
What?
Which room you were in? Which breakout room?
Room 1? I'm not really sure. I think it said
Okay,
breakout
that's
1.
Oh, I'll put you in another one. Hold on a moment. You said your Anthony.
Say it again, I'm sorry.
Mr. Anthony?
Yes.
What is your last name again?
W-A-R-D, Ward.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put both of you in the breakout room. I'll send you another number.
Okay.
Let's see, Mr. Williams, you can go on number 2. And the ward will go in number 3.
All right.
Mr. Williams, go to breakout room number 2. Mr. Ward, go to breakout room number 3.
I'm trying to right now. I'm trying to join it. It's not letting me join.
Okay, I'll send you to another breakout room. Go to breakout room 7.
7?
Yes. You don't see 7?
Yes, I do, but it's still not letting me join.
Okay, why don't you sign off and sign back in and see what happens?
All right.
It'd be so cold coming out of there.
Put it in the drawer and then put it back out. That make you happy? The red shirt.
Hello, Sandy? If you're there?
She's not, I don't know why. What do you need, Attorney Robinson?
It's like all my people have left. or I'm not seeing them. They're not in the breakout because I can't see where people are. But Miss Renee is ready in room 5. She's on a phone, so I'm asking she be brought out. She's not happy. Her birthday, so she's having an unhappy birthday. So
All right.
and then we have she's a Sagittarius like me, so I know how that can get. So so and so let's see, where did all my people go?
I mean, they still in there, so I think, oh, you know what, she done signed off.
She signed off by accident, so it may have kicked me into being, it made you
Okay.
co-host though, you can't see still?
No, I gotta get it up. Obviously, I need to get a better device. I can do everything except see where people are in the.
All right, I'm gonna tell you where they are. So we got Devin Williams, she's in one of the rooms with him. Devin Williams is in room 2. Anthony Ward is in room 3.
Oh, they got moved. Somebody moved them around.
Everybody, she moved them all up. That's why. Yep.
Okay.
So they're all moved up. So they're in rooms 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
Okay, I didn't know they got moved. Okay. There I go.
All right, fantastic.
You did.
Divine Williams, you signed off anyway?
No, it disconnected me again.
Okay, I'll put back in the breakout room.
All right.
You'll be in number 2 this time.
My bad. Shooting around.
Okay, Bella.
Judge, I'm going to step away from the computer for about 3 minutes.
Okay. If I could get help to move the two audio people out.
Okay, Are
That
they-
would be, yep, that would be number 5.
are they
And-
the, okay, number 5, okay.
And then Denise Watts, she was moved up. She's in another room now, Denise Watts.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yep, stand by, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, please stand
Yes.
by. Yep, please stand
Yes.
by. And Madam Clerk,
Yes.
I have a couple of driver license checks. Do you want me to chat the numbers to you, or should I just say them out loud? We're on YouTube. I guess I shouldn't.
Yeah.
All right. I'll send those in.
You can, chat them to me.
Okay.
Really, you don't.
Robinson,
Yes.
would you tell me the ones that you need?
Look at the next person over there.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
The next person that needs to come out, there was a lot of interference.
Denise Watts.
Okay,
She's on the phone.
all right.
And then Verdell Yao is he just won't unmute. So I haven't communicated with him since early this morning. I think he's in 7.
Okay, so the only one who should be in there is Verdell Yao.
Yep, everyone else can come out unless I believe I've talked to everyone.
Okay, then why don't I just shut it down and Mr. Yao will come out and maybe the judge can assist in hooking him up. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
There's somebody on the iPhone. The person on the iPhone. What is your name? Take your phone off mute, please.
Hello.
Hi, what is your name? Take your phone off mute. You have a burgundy hoodie.
Anthony Ward. I keep getting calls, and I did talk to someone though this time.
Yeah, I'm ready on Mr. Ward.
Yeah, please. Lord, turn off the TV. We can hear you.
It's off.
Oh, thank you. He'll go with number 3, Ms. Robinson.
Pardon me?
Mr. Ward will go in number 3.
Okay, I already talked to him. He's ready to go.
Oh, okay, my apologies. All right, I'm gonna put him in the waiting room then.
All right, I'm gonna start doing the people. Okay, I'm gonna do Miss Zarab, the lady. Zambrina, Miss Renee Zambrina.
Okay, love you. I see you.
Miss Zambrina.
Yes. Yes.
Now,
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear all the conversation too, Miss Zambrina. I'm gonna call this matter, okay? Now,
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Renee Zambrina. This is ticket SX 398556661. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling count 2 on that same ticket, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon. Sarah Robinson for Miss Renee Zambrina. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Good afternoon. My name is Renee Miguel Zambrana, and I was born on November 30th, 1988, which is today.
Thank you, Ms. Zambrina. How are we moving forward at council?
Judge, as to the matters that are on the docket for today, she would plead guilty to per the offer. Ms. Zambrana has told me that she's communicated with a prior attorney on a different date, stating that all her other matters would be resolved today. I don't know what other matters she may have. She was told she would have a happy birthday today when she came back.
All right, I can see if she has any more outstanding matters, but I believe these are the only 2 that you have open in the city of Detroit, okay, ma'am?
Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's more on my track record. That's why I wanted to come in today on my birthday and see if I can get some. I talked to the gentleman when I had court with you back on August 30th. I know it's been a wait. I've been patient. I know I was a little impatient about 30 minutes ago when I talked to the clerk, but I was just a little tired because I've been up early since 8:30 and I've been so tired because I had work yesterday.
That was me.
Yes.
That was me, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
You have a little bit of impatience there. That's true.
Yes, and I have, got my patience back in off and on like a light switch, but I was just really tired. I had to be at court, with y'all super early. Then I got my nephews here running around for my brother because he's at work and stuff. So that was that. But in the summertime, I had court August 30th. My court, I kid you not, Your Honor, when I was on court with y'all, it was an in and out on the phone. I probably wasn't even on the phone no longer than less than an hour. The gentleman that represented me in some type of way, I talked to him and he was telling me my court was going to be November 30th. I said, well, that's my birthday. You're going to have a happy birthday. I said, did you talk to the judge and tell her about my other tickets I do have in Detroit? Is there a way I can help get them waived or, dismissed, or I pay, whatever I got to pay to go ahead and clear it out? He said, yes, I'm going to talk to her and you are going to have a happy birthday. He said, your birthday is November, what? I said November 30th. He said, that's right. So I'll see you in court, as if he was going to be in court today to represent me, because that's who, I forgot his name. It was on a piece of paper. I don't have that notepad actually in my life. Yes, I just want to go ahead and take care of all my tickets. If there is a way, Your Honor, that you can help try to dismiss them, it would mean the world to me. If not, I understand. I would just have to pay in full. But I just want to get everything taken care of today. It's my 34th birthday. I want to start this chapter off right. And I just want to get everything done the right way today. It's been a lot going on. My significant other got killed. It's been a lot. I just want to get everything just clear and just a new chapter today.
All right. Well, happy birthday to you. I see what you're talking
Thank
about.
you. Thank you.
Felonies. You don't. Okay, it's enough, Ms. Bird, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people left after you. So you're not it. So I let you have your moment. Happy birthday. So what he was letting you know last time you were in court is that you have a whole bunch of tickets in what's called default. Okay. So what that means is that you didn't show up for cases, civil infractions, and they went into default. Okay. So those are the cases that you have open, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those open. Okay. And they're not really open. They're there so that you have to pay them. And they happen, some of them happen as far back as 2016. It looks like 2018, 2016, and one is from 2010. So you just have to pay them. What I can do is I can ask my clerk to take off the late costs and fines, okay? So we'll take off the late costs and fines, and then you can come down to 36th District Court and you can try and make some payment arrangements, okay?
I can come down today in person?
Well, to handle those matters, yes, but we're gonna take care of what's on my docket right now, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, so it's my understanding you want to take advantage of this offer today, is that correct, sir, ma'am?
Yes, very 100%, 1,000,000% accurate.
All right, please raise your right hand.
Right hand is rose.
Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk
Yes.
to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Okay, did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
I can't hear you. The phone breaking up. I'm on the phone call. The laptop is broken.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No. No. No, Your Honor. Absolutely no, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading
Yes,
guilty
Your Honor.
because you're guilty? Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention, ma'am, back to the date of, what was this? December 1st of 2021. Were you in the area of M39 Service Drive and 8 Mile in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied. Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter 1 count improper plates. The remaining count will be dismissed. Ma'am, I'm going to waive your costs and fines today on these tickets. You may have reinstatement fees. I can't waive those, but you just need to come down and make a payment plan for those tickets that you have in disposition, okay?
Okay, so just I can come down. Is the building open? Cause you know I'm over the phone right now. I can come in physical form, correct?
You can come physically down to 36th District Court. We are open on the first floor, okay?
Okay, all righty. And then today, do I have anything to pay for today?
Well, usually they require some type of money down in order for you to get in the payment plan. So you may want to have some money available for that so you can know how much they want you to put down.
Yeah, I'm coming to pay everything in full.
Okay.
That's
Come on down.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Taylor. You stay blessed and happy holidays. Thank you, sweetie.
You too. Same to you. Happy birthday, okay?
You love. Miss Taylor, I have another question.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to know after all this is done, who do I talk when I pay my tickets off? Who do I talk to about getting my license back? Do I automatically call Secretary of State, or will I get some type of printout form from 36th District saying when can I go back and take my license? Or do I wait on something to come to me?
So what ends up happening is after you pay all your tickets and costs and fines, 36th District Court sends clearance to the Secretary of State's office and lets them know you can now apply for your license. So they'll let them know that you can apply for your license. Then you make an appointment to go to Secretary of State's office so that you can get your license, okay?
Thank you so much. So do I owe anything for the tickets from the case today?
No. Let me see if you have any reinstatement fees. I don't think you do.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. No, I don't think it's reinstatement fees. Hey, for these tickets. So it's just gonna be the other tickets, okay?
All right. Thank you so much. You have a prosperous rest of the year. Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That one is shown here. And she claimed she played it on the 8th and April of 2022. That's when it was scheduled to be used this week. So. Make it easy. She playing games. She playing another video. And supposedly this is the day she said she played. It's scheduled for review, but there's no plea. Then the lady she didn't show up. So unfortunately,
Excuse me, Madam Clerk.
give her 1 second. She stepped
Oh.
out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It doesn't make everything. Oh, it doesn't. So you can move forward. So. So you. Yeah, so. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Of course, anytime. All right, what do you want to do next? I apologize.
Oh, no problem. How about
Ms.
Sandra
Watts
Williams?
has a valid license too, just so you know.
Who does?
Ms. Watts.
Oh, okay, that's a dismissal. That's great. Let's do Miss Watt, if that's okay.
Denise Watts. Oh, you know what? She has a couple of tickets. It's a state ticket, Attorney Robinson. You see the operating, did she pay the civil infractions?
And that didn't come up on my docket.
Oh. Did you pay the civil infractions, Ms. Watts?
Excuse me, what does that mean?
So it was tickets. There was no operator's license on person. It was operating a vehicle while reading, typing, or sending text messages, and no proof of insurance.
Okay.
It's a yes or no question, Miss Watts.
Did you pay those
Could you
fines
restate
or
it?
no?
Oh, no, I haven't paid the fines yet. I just
Attorney
recently
Robinson,
had a
this
baby.
Okay, this is a state ticket, so I'm letting you know, Attorney Robinson. You can advise her real quick about what you think she should do on this. I don't have an offer today, though.
I advise that you set it for a bench trial or a jury trial. The decision is yours so that you can get an offer. I just have the license matter up, and she has a valid license, so.
I know, you ain't know about the other 2 counts, I'm sorry. They probably went into default, but I'm gonna take them out of default.
Okay, so ma'am, I recommend that you set it for a bench trial or, well, your decision, a trial, bench trial or jury trial. Because there's no offer today, ma'am.
Okay, and the offer meaning as in like a fine or just
No, the people, the prosecutor, they make an offer where they'll dismiss, they'll throw some items out, some charges out, and I recommend that you get the benefit of that bargain and come back so you can get that offer. Otherwise, you'd have to plead guilty to everything today, which is not acceptable.
Okay.
So please just, if you will, take my recommendation and set it for a trial, your decision, whether it's bench or jury.
I'll do jury.
A jury would be a 3-day process. 6 people from the city of Detroit would come in and they would decide whether you're guilty or not. And the issue at hand is whether or not you have a driver's license, which we know you do now, or you could let the judge decide whether you're guilty or not guilty, which would be in a couple months.
Would you recommend, which one would you recommend?
I can't make
The
that
jury or the-
decision. I can't make that decision for you.
Oh, okay. And
If you
this
need a
is the
moment to
judge that
think
we're on
about
the phone.
it,
Okay. But this is the judge that will make the decision that we're on the phone with right now.
Correct, Judge Taylor.
I mean, she can make the decision.
okay.
That's the
All right,
bench,
I'm gonna
right?
call the case.
All right.
Call the case, Ms. Watts, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Denise Marie Watts. This is ticket X4068308. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, operating non-CMV while reading, typing, sending text. First violation on wireless. And count 3 is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Sarah Robinson for Ms. Watts. Ma'am, please state your name.
Denise Marie Watts.
Judge, Ms.
Counsel.
Watts will be setting the matters for bench trial so that there's no offer today, so she can get the benefit of an offer from the state prosecutor. If she has an insurance, I would advise her to bring it in on that day and have her video, zoom in with video.
All right. With
Is
that
it-
being said, Ms. Watts?
I was about to say if I was able to talk to the attorney after this, or may I talk to her?
Yes, you can talk to her after this. You want to talk to her before you make this decision? You just gotta hold tight while I handle some other matters.
Oh no, I'm fine with the decision. I just want to ask a few questions and stuff for a little clarity.
Oh, absolutely,
that.
Ms. Watts.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Can you
Okay,
please
thank
raise
you.
your right hand? You're welcome.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Watts, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Would I like to? Yes.
Okay, you did though. You talked to her for a minute. She kind of told you what we were going to do today, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, and you want to have a bench trial. That's before me as the trier and finder of facts. And one of the reasons is because I don't have an offer for you today because there's no state attorney. So that state attorney would have to come and try and give you an offer and try and see what we could do to resolve this case. And you can show documentation and everything like that. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of February 24th. That's at 9 a.m. I need you to zoom in though where I can see you, okay? So you need to get to some type of device so I can see you for your trial, okay?
As of right now or on February?
In February 24th. Because it's via Zoom, so you don't have to come in, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, I'm going to put you into the waiting room. And then after we finish doing these other ones, I have about 8 people left. She's gonna talk to you about your the questions you have, okay?
Okay, thank you, Miss Taylor. Don't forget me, Denise Watts.
I promise I won't forget you. I'm gonna put you right in the waiting room so that you can be able to hear everything. Put yourself on mute. I'll just see you in the courtroom, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You have a nice day.
You too. *6, okay? I'm gonna just start bringing folks in on how my files are stacked. Okay. Verdell, y'all well?
You give me a second so I can walk to the back.
Yeah. So go ahead and walk to the back. Put yourself on mute, okay?
Yeah,
It's okay.
I didn't talk to him, Judge, because he wasn't responding. I guess because he's at work.
It's
And I
okay,
don't
it's a
have an
state
offer.
ticket.
I don't
It's
have
a
an
state
offer for
ticket.
him either. Yeah.
It's a state ticket. It's my operating marijuana while
Okay. So that should just go on anyway.
Yeah. All right. Let me bring in Mr. Ware. No, he's not here. Yes, he is. Edward Ware. Edward Ware. Mr. Ware, I hope you're not driving. You can't drive on Zoom. Mr. Ware? Mr. Ware,
Yes,
you can't have on Zoom while you're driving and you're just sitting.
I'm not driving. I'm on the bus.
Okay, let me do your matter, okay?
Okay.
You take off your hat for me though, for court real quick? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Edward Ware. This is ticket SP 1296210, count 1. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle, SP 1296291, expired plate. SP 1296292, no proof of insurance. And count 3 on that ticket is defective brake light. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, good afternoon, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Edward Ware. Sir, please state your name. State your name.
Edward Ware. Edward Ware.
And Judge, he would be pleading responsible to the defective brake light. The balance would be dismissed. We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket and stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Ware, I'm gonna put you on mute just so we don't have any background until I need to talk to you again, okay?
Okay, but there was one other ticket that I was concerned about. I was supposed to be seeing a judge about a public urination.
What ticket is that, Mr. Ware?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
What ticket is that, Mr. Ware?
I received this ticket last year in December. It was about, they said I was using the bathroom outside. I had to
It's a
see a judge
disorderly.
about it.
Oh, a disorderly conduct? I don't know if you had that ticket still.
Because I've been I went to one Zoom conference and they postponed it till today. And I thought I was going to take care of it that day on August 31st. Because they're telling me if I don't take care of it, it can turn into a very embarrassing charge on my name.
What do we do here? Yeah, four.
What's your middle name?
Coleaf, C-O-L-E-A-F-E.
What's your date of birth, sir?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Date of birth, please.
10/26/75.
All right, we found this disorderly conduct ticket. All right, okay. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, sir, so I can get you an offer so we can handle this today.
Okay.
Hold tight. All right. John, I need to move off here. Sure. Mr. Yowell?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Verdell Q Yowell. This is ticket P 1197703. One count smoking marijuana within passenger area of vehicle upon public highway. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Yowell. Sir, please state your name.
Verdell, y'all.
This is a state ticket, Attorney Robinson, and we don't have an offer for him today. Typically the offer would be 3-month delayed sentence if he wanted to take that. Otherwise, he can move forward.
All right, well, I haven't spoken. I did speak to Mr. Yao initially, but he was unavailable when I tried to speak to him again. So I will have to speak to him, or I can do it here openly in front of everyone.
What would you prefer?
I could talk to him right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr. Yao, there's an offer for the charge. The offer is you could plead guilty pursuant to a delayed sentence. Practically what that means is that if you don't pick up another charge just like this in the next 3 months and you pay the fine, which will be set by the court, it can be up to $500. Typically, Judge Taylor fines $200. There may be a community service component. I cannot promise you what the court will find, but that's typical for Judge Taylor, around 200, give or take. Additionally, you can go to trial, sir. You do not have to plead guilty to this. You can have a jury trial or a bench trial. Jury trial, 6 people from the city of Detroit would come in and be the fact finder, decide whether you're guilty or not. That's usually about a 3-day affair, 2 to 3 days. It would be postponed. It'd probably be sometime next year or the year after that. I'm not telling you that to discourage you. I'm just giving you information. If you want a bench trial, that would be probably in February of next year, give or take. The officer would be subpoenaed to come in at that time. You don't have to plead guilty, but that's the offer. Would you like to plead guilty today, sir? Would you like to go on a trial?
I'll go to trial.
Would you like a bench trial or a jury trial, sir?
Bench trial.
All right.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir. I already called this matter. Is that right, Madam Court Reporter? I called this matter, didn't I?
Yes, you did, Judge.
All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Mr. Yawel,
Oh, sorry.
do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson. That's who was just talking to you about your case and about your rights.
Mm-hmm.
Just say yes.
Yes. Sorry.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial for myself as the trier and finder of facts. They will subpoena witnesses, like she said. I will listen to the facts and make a decision based on that. That's how you want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of February 24th, 2023. That's at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in that day. February 24th, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
You too, okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You think he done with the job? Thank you.
Levante Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm calling the matters of the people versus Levante Williams. This is ticket P 1355330. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license, construction zone. Ticket number SP 1268501. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 126567580. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, improper plate. Ticket number P 1189712. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. U ticket 598393321. This is 1 count of consuming alcohol in public. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Levante Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Levante Williams.
Judge, he'll be pleading guilty pursuant to the offer.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I am guilty.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of May 31st, 2022. Were you at that time driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Braille and Tireman Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were your brake lights defective?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also not have a valid license at the time you were driving the vehicle?
No, I didn't have none.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Judge. Stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea as charged to defective brake lights and an amended plea of improper plates on count 2. The remaining tickets will be dismissed without prejudice. Sir, defective brake lights ticket is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to make that due no later than December 14th, 2022. On the remaining ticket, I'm going to charge you a $200 fine. I'm going to give you until January 30th. That's 60 days to have that paid. Is that going to be enough time?
Yeah, I can do the 6 days. Yeah.
Okay. All right. January 30th of 2023 is when the $200 is due. Okay.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
All right. You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ricky Wilson.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people. First is Ricky Wilson. This is ticket SP 1322173. Count 1. Drive unregistered and untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 13446022. This is 1 count expired plates. Ticket number SP 13221732. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 13221733. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 13446021. Drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 13446023. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson, on behalf of Mr. Ricky Wilson. Sir, please state your name. Mr. Wilson? Is his license valid? I have his DLN. It's in the chat.
Right. Mr. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please? You froze.
Ricky Wilson. Ricky L. Wilson II.
Thank you so much. Hold tight. It's valid. Attorney Robinson.
You said valid, Judge? Okay, Judge, I would make a motion to dismiss all counts due to Mr. Wilson having a valid license as to those license counts. As to all the insurance and registration counts, I would also move. He has current insurance and registration. I did review those when in our private meeting room.
As an officer of the court having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request to dismiss these matters without prejudice because he is now in compliance. Mr. Wilson, I just heard your driver's license record printout. You need to slow down. You don't need to get any more contacts with any more of the SOS, which is the Secretary of State, any tickets in any jurisdiction. But I just heard about 7 pages print out. That means that those are all the contacts that you have had. And you're a young gentleman. So you got a long life ahead of you and a long way to drive. Get it together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Make sure you keep
Thank
everything valid up to date, okay, Mr. Wilson?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Sandra Williams,
Yes.
all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sandra Williams. This is ticket SP 1296616, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 of that ticket is expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, good afternoon, Sarah Robinson for Miss Sandra Williams. Ma'am, please state your name.
Sandra K. Williams.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, Miss Williams would like to plead guilty. However, I'm requesting that the offer be changed. It is a 1-for-1 offer. Miss Williams cannot plead to no registration because she did have registration at the time. She did show it to me. I'm asking that she can plead to the license and that it be amended to improper plates.
All right, the court's going to grant your request right now.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No.
You are not pleading guilty because you're not guilty of this?
Oh, I'm guilty. So
Okay.
my license is suspended. So yeah.
Okay, all right.
Mhm.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you wanna move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I wanna take your attention back to the date of December 31st of 2021. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Plymouth and Warwick in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, is your license not valid at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Judge, and will stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. And the other count will be dismissed for valid documentation. Ms. Williams, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than January 30th of 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you for your patience.
You're welcome. You too.
All right, thank you. Anthony Ward.
Yes.
All right, gotta sit still, find your spot. Now calling the matters of the people versus Anthony Ward. This is ticket number 497687. Count 1, expired driver's license. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, no vehicle insurance. U ticket 505-89419. One count entered without owner's permission. Ticket number SP 1359725. Count 1, ignoring right turn only or exit sign lane. Ticket number SP 135974441, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 214976873, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Mr. Anthony Ward. Sir, please state your name.
Anthony Ward.
And Judge, today, Mr. Ward would be pleading guilty. We're asking for an adjustment to the offer. As to the civil infraction, the right turn moving violation, that would be amended to blockading. We will stipulate to the face of the ticket. As to the misdemeanor, the offer is to plead to no registration. He had that at the time. We're asking that he can plead to no insurance and that it be amended to improper plate. Which would be the same result, actually.
Okay. All right, the court will do that for you today. You want to take advantage of this offer?
Mr. Ward?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Attorney Robinson, that was going to be the no vehicle insurance to improper plates, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, all right. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of January 21st of 2021. At that time, were you driving an Infiniti vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Gunston in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was that vehicle uninsured at the time you were driving it?
Yes.
And counsel, for the record, that on the date of June 17th of 2022, in the area of West Lafayette and Griswold in the city of Detroit, Mr. Ward was driving a Honda vehicle and blocked traffic by ignoring a right turn only or exit sign lane. You satisfied,
Stipulate,
counsel?
Judge. Yes, stipulate.
All right. All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 3 and the ticket of plea of responsible to blockading. The fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes.
All right, so I'm having that due no later than December 14th, 2022. Did you have a jury trial set before me, sir? No, right?
I don't think so.
I see your name on my list, Mr. Ward. Did you ever want a jury trial?
Did I ever want a jury trial? Is that what you just
Yeah.
said? Maybe if it was about the enter without permission ticket or something like that,
Oh.
but no.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ward.
That's being dismissed, so.
Yeah.
It is. It's being dismissed as a part of this plea, okay?
Right.
I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the remaining tickets. You've been in here patient today, Mr. Ward. So you just have to pay that $175, okay? And any reinstatement fees that may be out there, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Ward. You have a good day.
All right, you too.
I will, thank you. Devin Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can turn on your camera. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Williams. This is ticket P 1230387. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1187174. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Count 2, insufficient or defective lights. Count 3, drove while license never acquired. Ticket number P 1218597. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive a registered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1209083. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count three, no insurance motor vehicle. Ticket number P 1199787. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 227286. Count one, unregistered motor vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 1212891. This is one count, no proof of insurance. Count two on that ticket is registration and or plate violation. Ticket number SP 1369263. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two on that ticket, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three on that ticket is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I plead guilty.
Good afternoon, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Devon Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Davon Williams.
Judge, he'll be pleading guilty per the recommendation, and will stipulate for all to the face of the ticket for all infractions.
All right, so I have him pleading to 5 counts total. Do you have that to Attorney Robinson? So 3 blockading and then 2 improper plates?
Yes, Judge, that's my understanding.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Sir, if you want to move forward with this, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Say that again.
Are you taking this guilty plea today because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention first back to the date of July 24th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Hubble and Tyler Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And in this area, did you fail to stop for a stop sign, sir?
Yes.
And did you drive while your license was not valid?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have any car insurance on the vehicle at the time?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then taking you to the date of August the 5th, 2021. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Grand River and Greenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have proof of insurance to show the police officer who stopped you?
No, ma'am.
And was there also insufficient, or was there a defective headlight on one of the sides of your car?
A tail light?
Yeah.
No.
Well, I don't know. Was it a tail light or a headlight? Some defective light?
No, all the lights is working on the car.
Okay. Counsel, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket that it was insufficient or defective headlight that's going to change into blockading because of his
Yes.
having to be stopped?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
All right. Stipulation of probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter in 3 counts of blockading and 2 counts of improper plates. The remaining tickets are to be dismissed. Sir, blockading fine is $175 per ticket. You have 3 of them that you need to pay. That's $525. Typically, civil infractions are due in 14 days. How long is it going to take you to pay those?
Well, I just got this job. They told me it was gonna take about a week to get in. So I'm not working right now. I had literally just got out of jail too, from Livingston. So I had they let me go. I just got a job. I'm waiting on them to contact me back. About 3 weeks.
February. said 3 weeks?
About 2 weeks. Yes.
I'm gonna give you 60 days.
All right. Thank you.
January 30th, 2023, okay?
You said
On the
who again?
remaining, I'm sorry about that, somebody chimed in. January 30th, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's for the 525, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna charge you an additional $200 though, because you got so many tickets, Mr. Williams. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the remaining ticket. I'm gonna give you until March to pay that last ticket, March 30th, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, and then the remainder of your tickets that I called on the record are gonna be dismissed, which took care of a lot of money, because I did a whole lot of cases that were in default. So you gotta pay this money though, I know it's a lot, but you're gonna pay the $725 to the court, okay?
All right.
All right, Mr. Williams, thank you so much for your patience today. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on that last ticket though. So you just may have reinstatement fees. You may have some reinstatement fees though. Those are extra, but we took care of a lot of the cases that were in default today, so that you didn't have a ton of cases. You may still have some older ones though, because I only go back to 2020, okay?
Okay, thank you.
2021, I think, okay?
All right.
All right, Mr. Williams, you have a good day, okay?
You too. So I just leave the room?
You just leave the room, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. Now I'm gonna bring Mr. Ware back in, Attorney Robinson. And then
Yes, Judge.
I'm gonna put Ms. Watson into a room so you can talk to her. I'm gonna put her in room 1. Ms. Watson is gonna put you in room 1. And then Mr. Ware, I'm gonna put you into room number 2 so you can talk to Attorney Robinson about the offer. I'm gonna tell her the offer, okay? Join room 2.
I have it.
Oh, you have it? Okay, fantastic. Let me know. Attorney Glenn?
Yes,
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
Good. I'm still in my morning docket. So I just want to let you know, my clerk will talk to you in a minute about what we're doing, but I want to let you know that's why I haven't, you know, you can stay in the courtroom if you want to, but I gotta have one more person to do my morning docket before I'm finished, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Attorney Glenn.
Also, oh, okay, good. Well, actually, that was right.
We're back. Mr. Ware's back.
All right, is he ready to handle this matter?
Yes, he wants to take the offer, yes.
All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus Edward Ware. This is you ticket 617-585-221. Mr. Ware, put yourself on mute for a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right. One count disorderly conduct. Also calling ticket number SP 12962-091. One count expired plates. Count 2 of that ticket is no proof of insurance. Count 3 is defective brake lights. Also calling ticket number SP 12962-101. One count drive on registered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Mr. Edward Ware. Sir, please state your name.
Edward Ware.
Thank you. All right, counsel, how are we proceeding?
He's going to plead guilty, Judge, per the recommendation. It's a delayed 6 months for the U ticket. Everything else will be dismissed.
Mr. Ware, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, please.
All right, please raise your right hand. You can take yourself off mute for a moment because I gotta ask you some questions. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they did not.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in either one of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
Understanding all of this, is you still want to move forward today?
Yes, please.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of September 3rd of 2021. Were you in the area of Monroe and Chrysler in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And did you act in a disorderly manner or disorderly way in that area, sir?
Yes, I did.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, and will stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to disorderly conduct. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, what did you do in this area? I see it's at 2:30 in the morning. Did you just get mouthy with the police officers?
No, actually, it was a parking structure. It was a parking structure where I paid to park at, and they didn't have any public commodes out there. And after I got vaccinated, I've been having frequent urination problems because of my COVID vaccine. And I had to go. I was with guests, and I couldn't use the bathroom in front of my guests. So I went off to the side, and I turned around, and I saw red and blue lights just shining on me. And he asked me what I was doing. I tried to explain to him it's because of my vaccination. That's one of my side effects. I have frequent urination problems. And I had to go use the bathroom, and I didn't want to use the bathroom in front of the people that was in the car with me. And I mean, I looked around everywhere to see if there was any public, how they have the little private bathroom areas. Well, there was none around. So I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to wet my pants. I had to go real bad.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, we know we can't do that in public, and I'm sorry that you've been experiencing that, but we can't do that in public. So I'm gonna give you an option. You can either do some community service or you can pay a fine. Which one would you like?
I'll just pay the fine.
Okay. All right, my fine is $200. Okay, you have 6 months to pay it because you're going to come back for a review in 6 months. And as long as you don't have any new tickets, this is going to be dismissed. Okay.
Yes, I understand.
All right, so you're going to come back to see me May 30th of 2023 at 8:45 a.m. Have my $200 fine paid, no new tickets, and this case will be dismissed along with the other cases. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. The other cases have been dismissed today, though, but that one is just going to be delayed until that time, okay?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome, Mr. Ware. Thank you for bringing it to our attention, too. Your driver's license was wrong on one of the tickets. That's why we couldn't pull it up, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you have a good day, Mr. Ware, okay?
You too. Thanks again.
All right, you too. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, we just have that last young lady for you to talk to, but we don't have to go on the record for her, so.
Okay.
We can go on YouTube.